everyone, this is Cindy with Connect the Heart, and today I am here with a big haul, including introducing you guys to the new Halloween release from the Not Too Shabby shop. So first, I did purchase some items. I've had my eye on this, which is coffee beans from the Greeting Farm. So these are little, sort of little mini, they call them beans, little mini girls, and these are all like coffee themed. So I just think they're absolutely adorable and I love them. I can't wait to color them up like I did with, I still have one here. I haven't done anything with these girls since I colored them up. Remember, I colored all of these. And so these were, I think it was I forget what they call it, but it was all these Anyas that in different, clothes and styles and everything. So I'm really excited about playing with these. They have this at the Not Too Shabby shop. So take a look at that. And then I also picked up, this was part of the recent release. This is called Baker's Dozen. So this is a slimline paper pad. It measures 3.5 by 8.5. And so it's got cherries and cupcakes, and it's this like skinny long paper. It's 3.5 by 8.5. And so I picked this up because I thought this was be fun. It's double-sided. And it's just one of those things I like to kind of have in my stash when I kind of need something like that. So, and then I picked this up, which is brand new to the shop. And so I did an embellishments on the 11th, but really it was the 12th video. And I showed some of the new dies from the Not Too Shabby shop. So she has her tag die, which I do use quite often. She has the clipboard die, which I just showed you guys in that embellishments on the 11th video, along with the apple shaker. I showed that, and now there's a cupcake shaker. So this is going to be fun. I can't wait to play with this one. It comes with this hooray, and it comes with all the pieces to make a cupcake and also to make it into a shaker. So I'm going to play with that. I have not decided what I'm going to do about that, but I'm excited. So the other thing I bought, because we're getting into fall, I thought I would pick up this stencil, and it's called Pumpkin Spice Season. So I picked that up, and I like it's got all these leaves and the word pumpkin, and then you can make a pumpkin, by stenciling. And then I had a ton of points because I do buy a lot of things from Not Too Shabby shop. So I did purchase, not really purchase, I got with my points. I got this picket fence stencil. I got this apple picking, which I thought would be really great to go with some of the apple things that I've gotten from the Not Too Shabby shop recently, like the apple shaker. So we'll see. I have time to use that. And then this was in there as a pick. So I got this. I really like the font, so I thought this would be a nice addition to my planning lineup. So I got that as part of my little using my points. And then I bought a bunch of, I got with my points also. Oh, this thing is stuck. I think some I purchased and some, I think I might have purchased these. I can't remember. Maybe some of them I picked. I don't know. Some I've been picked and some I might have purchased. I can't even remember. But I always buy book-themed stuff because I'm a librarian. So I always pick book-themed things because I am obsessed. So I got this one. I love it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I love it. It's little books. And then I got this, which is the vinyl sticker, and I love it. So it's so cute. Oh, I think I bought this one. I can't remember. But I thought this would be cute for all the Halloween things I'm going to be making. And then I got this little mushroom house because it's adorable. And then I got this one, which is, I think it's sort of intended to be maybe like Disneyland themed. But anyway, it is this adorable sort of postage stamp style washi. Yeah, I think it's perforated. But it's got all these really cute little images. So I got that. Now, into the Halloween release. First is a free gift. So you spend over $60, you get a free gift. And I believe the free gift is still the sparkly fall enamel dots. And these are really great. But let's get, oh, I got two free gifts. Oh, I had two different orders. So I have two of these, which I'm going to be using for fall things. So let's, excuse me, get into it. So I have cute and pink. I didn't get everything. There are these adorable donuts, but I'm going to do something with the donut stamp set I already have and see if I can't maximize the use of that donut stamp. So I might color my donuts in a fun way. But witchy vibes and cute and pink. So love it. So I got the cute and pink ephemera. So you can see this is just some adorable paper, and I mean, it's double-sided, of course, and so you get you know, quite a few pieces, and there's a lot of paper in here that you could use that doesn't have to be Halloween, right? It could be fall, or it could just be, you know, cute paper. So there's that. And then sorry, my throat's bothering me. But I think the ephemera, this is really the first time I've gotten to really look at it. And so this is more matte, but it's very, very cute. So there's all these little pieces that you can use to decorate cards or bags or, you know, anything you want to do. So I'll be doing some fun things. I don't know what yet. I will do fun things. I'm always trying to think of new things, you know, to do. So that is called Cute and Pink. And you can find that in the shop, the Not Too Shabby shop. You can use my link in my description. This is Witchy Vibes. So this gives me, like, I don't know, Wednesday Addams, or, you know, kind of gives me some vibes, witchy vibes. So I really love this. I love the colors. Actually, they both are very pink themed. So I think that's just adorable. So witchy vibes. And then the ephemera for Witchy Vibes is all these cute girls and, you know, like dolls almost, and you've got all these little bits and pieces in here that can be used to make different fun things. So I'm not pulling out everything because there's little bats in here and all kinds of fun things. You get a lot of ephemera pieces, a lot. So keep that in mind, you get a lot. And then I think I picked this up. This is the Halloween mugs. I don't believe this is part of the release, but you can find this in the shop. And I picked this up because I just thought it would be fun to play with. And so this one, I'm not pulling out all of them, but just give you an idea, is all these different Halloween style mugs. And then there's little bits of candy corn. And so, again, these would be really fun for little treats and things like that. So I thought that'd be kind of fun. And so I've got that. And then, oh, this is not part of the release, but I did get the chicken sentiments stamp set because I've got some chicken things that I want to use that for. But back to the release. So I got this one, which is the Boo Sentiments. I did not get the dies for this. I might change my mind and get it, but I didn't get the dies. And then this is Best Witches, and I just love those little girl witches and the little ghost. So I had to get it, plus the dies, and I just love the sentiments. Wishing you a happy Halloween, Best Witches. I just thought it'd be really cute for friend mail. So I'm looking forward to using all of these things. So I just think that these would be really fun for you guys to play with for your Halloween projects. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Creative Art.